Alright, traders, let's get into a market update and let me show you what I see on the charts now. And because of the lack of follow through today, what I'm seeing in the charts moving forward through to the end of the year. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so I won't keep you guys too long for you guys. But anyway, so yeah, I did put a major market warning out there and stuff like that, because this is the pattern and the formation that that generally happens when the market does look like it wants to, you know, go down. It wants to just keep going down, especially when it starts making these peaks and troughs. So and yes, there's a few people on my YouTube channel saying you did the wrong call, blah 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 blah, all that sort of stuff. Don't care. What I do want to share with you is this, is that yes, I did expect a lot more downside to come. I really did expect a lot more downside to come. But due to the fact that we've actually been holding this level where we are right now on the S&P and the Dow Jones, due to the fact that we held it and we did not follow through, then what I'm saying is right now, this may be the sign of a Christmas rally. Now, you know, in fact, now I've turned slightly bullish. Now, yes, I was bearish because the overall peaks and troughs are lower, and nothing changes until the peaks and troughs change. We all know that. But the thing is that I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I'm bearish and I'm going to stay bearish, because I'm not. For you guys that are traders, right, you know, the worst thing you can do is that if you're in a position and you've got such a strong view of something, you need to be open-minded, be flexible. So anyway, looking at the charts right now, looking at the market right now, I do see that, you know what, we're probably likely to get a Christmas rally out of this. And if that's the case, then this is going to be a false breakout, especially if let me just delete that trend line there and delete this trend line here and just look at this here. This here is likely to be a false breakout, and we're likely probably to race back up to here, maybe even a lot higher during the Christmas break. So that's what I do see on the Dow Jones and on the markets right now. If we do get back into this channel and we do start to break above, and we close break above in this channel, then we're likely to follow through and keep running back up during this Christmas break. So yes, I was putting a major warning out there, and it did look really bearish, and it still does look really bearish right now. But the thing is, because we did not get a follow through, it's showing me that we are getting a lot of support where we are right now. So here's what I'm saying. If we break below the lows of here, then we're likely to spend some more time to the downside. If we do break back above this pattern here, this triangle pattern, then what I do see is this is going to be what we call a false breakout. And if that does happen, we start to get a close back into this triangle pattern, then we're likely to continue and break out, probably maybe even new highs this year. I'm not saying that's a pretty big run from where we are right now to up there. So, but the thing is that that's what I am seeing on the charts overall, guys. So yes, I did call a major market update, major market movement last week, and I still do believe that. By the way, guys, you know, my long-term view by looking at the weekly charts, the big long-term charts, and for you guys that said I'm totally wrong about the Australian market, just come back to me in 6 months time frame. My longer-term view says that we're still likely to get a big crack in the overall markets. The Australian market, yes, this is the time to be getting out, because guess what? Next year, especially the Australian market, just look at that. Tell me that's not going to crack. You know what I mean? Come back to this video in 6 months time frame and tell me that the market did not crack, especially on the Australian market. But the US market, we can see where we are right now, rallying back up. If we do get a break, if we do get a close back into this sort of triangle pattern, then we're likely to rally and have a rally back up, maybe even to new highs. So anyway, guys, that's what I do see. For you guys that are traders, sometimes you take a trade and you know, and it just doesn't work out for you. You've got everything going, you've got the peaks and troughs, you've got the trend line break, all that sort of stuff, but it just doesn't work for you. But the thing is, it's important to flip your side, it's be able to get out when you know that you got the direction wrong, and maybe flip your or be open-minded to what the market is really telling you, not what you hope it's going to tell you. So for all you guys out there that are saying things Shut the fuck up.